Hey guys, it's back in handyman. Back working on the house. It looks like I got a little bit of water underneath my screen protector. Yay. But anyways, let you see what I'm working on now. This is our living room. As you can see, I still have to screw up some of the sheetrock. It's kind of sagging right there. All over the place, but this right here is something that's always bothered me since I first moved in. This is the laundry room. The door opens in like that, which makes it to where this whole wall over here is useless, right? And since the door is against the wall over here, this whole wall over here is useless. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change it up a little bit. We are going to take this door, move it over to where we can put like a fish tank or something over there. And we're going to put this door to where it opens outward. And then the only spot that will be useless is right here on this wall. Which this wall is useless anyway because of the register right there. And the whole reason I decided to do this is because I have to fix that. In order to change our air filter, we have to take off these screws. And I have to crawl in there and fucking change the air filter. Well, not after I get this done. There will be a little flap, which I bought right here. And it will open up. I'm going to try to take it off of the floor some too, to where it's not just sucking up the cat hair, dog hair, or whatever the hell hair there is, and it's just going into there. I'm going to try to lift it as much as I can without getting to where the support is for the HVAC unit. So I'm going to take this piece of sheetrock down and see what the inside of this wall looks like. It's not load bearing because, as you remember, the truss go that way. So walls that go this way would be load bearing. Walls that go this way don't, which I'm only taking from there to there and fixing this area. So I guess I better get to work and quit talking about it, right? All right, here we go. I'm gonna open up all the stuff I'm gonna change here. And as you can see, I turned the power off through the breaker. And, you know that it wasn't a professional HVAC company that put this in. But, see, I used to have to take off that grate and put it up there. And there's a couple screws that hold it down. And this is the little crawl space that it pulls all the air we breathe out of. So I'm going to not only put that thing right there, I'm going to make it to where we can put filter inside too, so that any dust that comes in down there will get filtered as well. Kind of a double filtration because it pulls air through right here, and there is another return right there. So I'm making it to where it has filters right here and right there. And it'll have one that goes at the bottom of the HVAC unit. So now I gotta pull these wires up and take these studs out. Yay! All right, now I got those wires out of there. I can see what the heck I'm doing. All right, the fog's gone off the camera. Yeah, so I got the wall reframed. See, I told you I was gonna have it to where it will open that way. And I reframed the air return and relocated the electrical. I put lag bolts into the floor, make this wall more secure so it doesn't move at all, because it wasn't fastened to the floor before. And okay. And now this, since it opens outwards instead of the door coming in this way or that way, I can actually use all this space now. The only space that we can't use is back here behind the door, which this is a negative thing. How it opens in front of the air vent. If you ever leave it completely open, it'll block off your air return. But there is another return down there, so I think I'm all right on that. But now I get to put up sheetrock. Yay! All right, here we are. Everything's all wrapped up. Still have to mud and tape it, and then of course paint it. This is so much better than having to unscrew all kinds of screws and everything. But and this is what it looks like in here. As you can see, it's just a little square. But now I can put like a table over here to fold stuff, or I also put the plug-in in here. I still got to put that on, but it's all covered up. And this is just where I'm at now. I'll let you see on my next step where we're at then. Peace out.